Good afternoon, I am Steven Yao. So today we still come back to chapter 5 Arithmetic Progression. So from this question, diagram 3 show the arrangement of cylinder. This one arrangement of cylinder having the same radius 3 cm. This means the radius here from here to here is your radius. Your r equal to 3 cm. Here radius r equal to 3 cm. Radius r equal to 3 cm. Radius r equal to 3 cm. So your fixed variable is your radius 3 cm. Here you can see your fixed variable is called what? Is your radius r equal to 3 cm. Then your manipulated variable will be your height. Okay, you see the height here 4 cm, 6 cm, 8 cm. Height of the cylinder. H. And then your corresponding variable will be your volume. So the volume will be having formula for volume of cylinder. V equal to pi r square h. So repeat again. Diagram 3 show the arrangement of cylinder having the same radius 3 cm. Same radius or 3 cm. So your radius is fixed variable. The height of the first cylinder is 4 cm. The height of the first cylinder. So this one is your first cylinder. 4 cm. And the height of each subsequent cylinder increased by 2 cm. Can you see? Increase by definitely is your AP. This one is your second cylinder. This one is your third cylinder. And this one is your N cylinder. So they said increase by 2 cm. 4 cm increase by 2 cm, 4 plus 2, 6 cm. 6 cm increase by 2, 6 plus 2 equal to 8 cm. So volume of cylinder equal to pi r square h. So diagram 3. Calculate the volume in centimeter cube of the 17 cylinder in terms of pi they ask you. So how to solve it? So first I need to determine whether this one AP or GP. Solution. For AP, arithmetic progression. So we're using the common difference. So equal to second term minus the first term. Second term is 6 cm. Minus first term is 4. So equal to positive 2 or D equal to third term minus second term. Third term equal to 8. Minus second term is 6. So still remain 2. D equal to D, common difference equal to common difference. So equal to 2 here. Therefore, definitely this one is your arithmetic progression. For GP, geometric progression. So you're using the common ratio R. The common ratio will be your T2 over T1 or common ratio equal to your T3 over T2. T2 6 divided by 4. So equal to 3 over 2. T3 is 8 divided by 6. So you can see the common ratio R is not equal the other common ratio. The first one is common ratio 3/2. The second one common ratio is 4/3. Therefore, it is not GB, geometric progression. So we solve it. So now we know that this one is your AP already. So AP we know that. So the first one they ask you, calculate the height, the volume in cm³ of the 17 cylinder. Now, so the first term equal to A, equal to height equal to 4 cm. Your common difference is T2 minus T1 equal to 6 minus 4 is 2. Then for Tn equal to A plus n minus 1e. So n now is 17. Why? Because they ask you 17 cylinder. T17. I need to find the height first. This one to find the height. To find the height of the 17 cylinder. Because if I want to find the volume here, is they ask me the volume. The volume will be equal to pi r square h. So I need to find out the height of the cylinder first. This means I need to find the h first. How much? So A equal to first term equal to 4 plus 17 minus 1. Common difference is 2. So solve it. 16 multiply 2. 4 plus 32. So equal to 36 cm. I know that. The height is 36 cm. Then I need to calculate the volume. So the volume equal to what formula? V equal to pi r square h. Because they ask me the volume of the 17 cylinder number 17. So in terms of answer, the pi. So the pi I won't disturb the answer. Still remain pi. So my radius, since you know that your radius is a fixed variable, all is 3 cm. So 3 putting square. At number 17 cylinder, my height of the 17 cylinder is 36 cm. Substitute inside here. So complete already. So this one is pi 936. So when you're using a calculator, you subtract out 324 pi centimeter cube is your answer, or part A. Now I need to solve for part B. Given the total volume of the first n cylinder is, okay, total volume of first n cylinder will be equal to 1620 pi centimeter cube. But my n, I don't know how many cylinder, but I know that when I sum up all the volume of cylinder should be equal to 1620 pi. Then now, but I know that the formula for volume will be equal to, volume for the cylinder will be equal to pi r square multiply the height of the cylinder. Then I just substitute inside here. My first one is pi. My first cylinder radius is 3, putting square. My first cylinder, the height is 4 cm. Then plus second one, 9 pi. My radius still remains the same, 3 square. My height will be 6 then plus my pi. My radius is 3, putting square. Then the height of the third cylinder is 8. Then plus top. Then need to plus pi. My R remain the same thing. Radius is 3. Then my hash is the last number of cylinder. Last number of cylinder which having, you need to calculate the last number of cylinder when you sum out all this one equal to 1620 pi centimeter cube. This means I need to find out the Tn equal how much for this particular cylinder. So we solve like this. Here is pi 9. 9 multiplied by 4, 36 is all. Okay, I do like this. Pi 9, 6 plus pi 9, 8 plus dot plus pi 9. This one is my Tn. So you can make a conclusion that now, since here the common is 9 pi. This means my 9 pi I taken out will be equal to 4 here, first term, plus second term is 6, plus third term is 8, plus dot. And dot. So equal to Tn plus Tn. So if you still don't understand, so I can make a conclusion like this. 9 pi. 4 is the first term. 4 is the height of the cylinder. All this one is the height of the cylinder. First cylinder, how much the height here? So equal to first term, T1. This one is T2, second term, plus this one is third term, plus dot, plus last term. Now, then your 9 pi here. This one actually equal to what? T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus Tn actually equal to sum of the height of the cylinder until the nth term. So I need to find the sum here. But my sum here equal to what formula? No space already. So I shift out 9 pi Sn. So 9 pi. My Sn equal to what formula here? I can use equal to Xn equal to n over 2 mean 2a plus n minus 1 d. This one is my general formula. General formula for this. N over 2. N over 2. N over 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. This is your general formula for the sum of the, this one is Xn. Then what happened here? Now, 9 pi. Then my n, I don't know, n over 2. My a, I know that is how much first term? My a equal to 4. This n, I don't know. Minus 1. But my common difference is equal to 2 here. Substitute 2 here. Positive 2. Why positive 2? Because can you see the height here keep on increasing, definitely is positive value. So positive 2. Then I need to solve it now. 9 pi. n over 2. 8. This one is 2n minus 2. So 9 pi n over 2. 8 minus 2, 6 plus 2n. 8 plus 2n. So this one will be equal to how much? 9 pi. Then I solve for this one. You can simplify it as now. 2, 3, 2, 2. Okay, so equal to 1 here. So your answer will be n. 3 plus n. 3 plus 1n. 1n is an n. So here is 9 pi. Become how much? It's 3n. 3n plus n squared. Then this one is your total volume as well. So your total volume will be equal to how much? Your total volume equal to 1620 pi. So equal to this one, 9 pi. 3n plus n squared. Now pi and pi you can cancel out as well. When you shift over here, your pi here shift over to the right hand side is divide. Then you can cancel already. Then what happened to your next one? This one. When you cancel out, equal to 16209 3n plus n squared. Okay, I release this one out. No space already. Then 1620 equal to 9 multiply. 9 shift over side become divide by 9. So equal to 3n plus n squared. When you simplify this one using calculator, I don't know how much. So calculator. The 1620 divided by 9, 180. So 180 equal to 3n plus n squared. Therefore, n squared plus 3n shift over the other side become minus 120. So equal to 0. So simplify, factorize it using calculator. So this one you should be obtain. You should be obtain. When you simplify using calculator, you should be obtain n minus 12, n plus 15. N minus 12 equal to 0 or n plus 15 equal to 0. N equal to 12, except positive value. This means you got how many cylinders here? 12 cylinders altogether. N equal to minus 15 is reject. Because the number of cylinders cannot have my negative value. This one is reject. Since the n, okay, now they ask me, given that the total volume of the first n cylinder is this one, find the value of n now. And therefore, my n equal to 12 is my answer already. So if you want to check in the answer, if you really want to check in your answer, so you need to do something like this. I erase out. Now I want to check in my answer. Erase out everything here. This one is a little bit dark, so I checking for you. Now, checking. So your volume equal to pi r squared hash. Then the volume, total volume, the first one is pi. Your r is 3 squared. Your first height is 4. first cylinder. Second cylinder height 3 square. Your height is 6. So the third cylinder height 3 square now is increased by 2. Now it's x here plus pi 3 square. Now the fourth cylinder, the height increased by 2. So equal to 10 plus pi 3 square. The height increased by 2 become 10 plus 2, 12 plus pi 3 square. Increased by 2, 14 plus pi square. Increase by 2, 16. Then plus some more. So I'm checking. This one is my first cylinder. This one is my second cylinder. My second cylinder. This one is my third cylinder. This one is my fourth. Okay, but I need 12 cylinder, not enough. Then plus pi 3 square. The height is increased by 2, now 18. Plus pi increased by 2, 20. Plus pi 22. 7. This one will be 8 cylinder. 9, 10. Still not enough. 10 plus pi 3 square. Increased by 2, 24 plus pi 3. Enough already. This one is cylinder number 11, cylinder number 12. Now, 12 cylinder. So answer is 12 is not. Then we go to substitute in. 9 square, no, 3 square equal to 9. 9 multiplied 4, 36. Second one, 9 multiplied 6, 54. Pi. 9 multiplied 8, 72 pi. 9 multiplied 10 equal to 90 pi. 9 multiplied 12, how much? 9 multiplied 12 equal to how much? Should be 108. That's all. 9 multiplied 14 should be 126 pi. And now 9 multiplied 16 should be equal to 144 pi. Then plus 9 multiplied 18 should be equal to 162 pi. Checking the answer first half. 162. And plus 9 multiplied 20 should be equal to 180 pi. 9 multiplied 22 should be equal to 198 pi. Then plus 9 multiplied 24 should be equal to 216 pi plus 9 multiplied with 26 to be equal to 234 pi. When you sum up everything here, your answer should be equal to 1620 pi. When you sum up, so it's equivalent to your question 1620 pi centimeter cube. So they need how many cylinder? Total cylinder how many? 12 cylinder. You add up together, you should be obtain your total volume 1620 pi. Okay, today lesson until here. Thanks for watching.